the killage and dams be and Sunny the Jumadi Nashisha so. And this is one story. And the circulating on social media so Nina Otrofo Azani Muna Fiki Mahamadu Bawumia or saying, if God chose King Cyrus, who was not a Jew, then God can choose Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia, who is a Muslim, to lead Ghana. Bawumia says, Onyankopon to me, Obia your friend of Cyrus, and onye Jew ni, Emma to be a day, et me, ebedi, omonima, and there also Mahamadu Bawumia, Onyamibe to me, you know. Amana bedi Ghana so, na Bawumia yesro. Yesro, the Anyakasi Jew for. Bawumia may sure say, Anopebi or Tafre double to Bawumia. Yasro, the Anyakasi Jew for. Asante former pa, ko former pa, enzima former pa, en awuna for enta former pa. Yeah, then you be Jew for. Where Jew for yourself? But the fact of the case is that say somebody needs to tell Bawumia and the NPP say he did not lose the elections because he's a Muslim. And that is one thing Bawumia is not getting, and it's something that he knows, but he just doesn't want to accept. You people should let Bawumia understand that the 2024 elections he lost, he lost it because Ghanaians got to know he's a liar. He's incapable of managing the affairs of this nation. That's all. It is not about Bawumia being a Muslim or Bawumia being married to somebody from Chad. No. Mahamadu Bawumia needs to understand, said this kind of petty, childish, sympathetic politics, it does not work again. In 2024, 90% of the people who voted and voted the NPP out of power, they voted because they had assessed you for 8 years. And they have come to that point, say, you don't have the intellectual know-how to be the leader of this nation. So it's got nothing to do with Osuma Osum. It's got nothing to do with tribal Ufrim. And you people need to get to that point and understand it's a Ghana for Jimmy. Let me tell you. Say Eka Obia Ostate religious politics, it was you, Mahamadu Bawumia. You went to the north and told our brothers and sisters in the northern region, say, because we are in Kremoninti, yan twaba Mahamadu president, Sebio, in Sobia and Kremonina, Sebio, with Jimmy, I'll say Mahamadu president. So this kind of petty, tribal, religious politics, you started it, and you still not learned any sense to say, the new Ghanaian, the young Ghanaian, the Gen Zs, they don't care about this kind of mifriha, michiniha, or somewhere na mismo. They are looking at your intellectual know-how, how consistent you are, how truthful you are, and how you can solve their problems for them. We are one of the longest serving running mates in Ghana. And we are the longest serving vice president in Ghana. Inti so be catch say, obi a friend Cyrus, Onyankopon say na onye Jew ni man be di Jew for, so ye nye Jew for. And you need to get the basics right. 90% of the people who voted because no more chiromo. They voted because you lied to them that you were going to make sure their businesses survive. They voted against you because they could not trust your words. They voted against you because the jobs you said you were going to create, NAPO, what, you could not create them. They voted against you because you say you were an economist, or you are an economist, and that you could sustain the economy, you could manage the economy to the point whereby the dollar was going to go lower than where you inherited it. But at the end of the day, they realized that the dollar was killing them. Their capital were all being swallowed up by your bad policies. So 90% of people who voted did not vote because you were Muslim. 90% of people who voted against the NPP did not vote because of one time. They voted because you are not intelligent enough to manage the affairs of this nation. And when it is better you come to that realization. Ken Cyrus, maybe I don't care about Ken Cyrus. Who the heck is Ken Cyrus? Diame me be do Ghana na hia me. Diame ofa owo Antombra ebedi na hia me. Diame nua ofa nyoma e wo Togo. Nisika sebio ni capital enshi na hia me. Na Ken Cyrus de me fam hoben. But you are still not getting it. You are still being misled. The people are telling you, say, because you're in Kreboniti or losing, that is where you are getting it wrong. You lost because you are not smart. You lost because you are not intelligent. You lost because you are a liar. You lost because the people, the citizenry, they lost that respect for you. They were heartbroken. They did not believe in your words, and they still don't believe in your words. So it's about time you sat back, had a very strong reflection, and then understand and respect the intelligence of the people. And because these kind of things, it will not convince anybody to vote for you. Face the reality. Let them know the truth. Stop acting as if you're a child. Let the people know that we messed up. I am not qualified to be an economist. When was the last time you spoke about the economy, Bawumia? You have been walking around the nation saying, oh, your campaign. When was the last time you spoke on the economy? You have never spoken on the economy again, Adentra, because you know from day one you were lying to the people. You are waiting for mistakes to happen for you to pounce on it. We are not stupid. Mistakes will happen, but we are not going to give you an opportunity. Mistakes will happen, but we are not going to give you an opportunity because you are not intelligent enough to solve problems. And that is what you need to know. But we are going to be critical and factual. You do one grache. Se wa dan sa hwa. Wonam Ghana ye blade kan o se ye. Ye tata blade kan o se we. Ye Gillette kan o se say. Wa dan no hwa ye kan ho asem. De bia no ashrinke. We need to let you know the truth. Ain't get it right. Stop tickling yourself. Stop massaging your own balls. Face the reality. You lost not because you are a Muslim. You lost because the people don't trust you. You lost because the people know now you have been exposed. You are not smart. You are not intelligent. You cannot handle the economy of this nation. You lost because you are a liar. You lost because the people have no trust in you. Deal with these things. Deal with these things. And stop the comedy of you trying to be... You are not going to get any sympathetic vote in Ghana again. The young Ghanaian is not willing to give anybody a sympathetic vote. The young Ghanaian is waiting for you to convince them through Wankasa Wanwasem and the young Ghanaian. So that 1992 kind of politics, Akufo Addo Asante and NPP, it's about what you can do, especially when you have been a vice president. Nana Akufo Addo in 2012 or whatever, when 2016. 90% of Mahamadu Bawumia, they knew Akufo Addo wasn't smart. They knew Akufo Addo was ignorant. They knew Akufo Addo was daft. They knew he was a crackhead. Majority of the people who voted for Akufo Addo, they voted for Akufo Addo because of you. You were moving around the nation like a headless chicken, putting together symposium, explaining to Ghanaians how you can solve our economic problem. Yeah, the problem now going to solve it for 8 years. Today you are telling us say Yanko Israel na obi a Jew ni and na onye Jew ni. Now tell me the Jew for some fan hoben. Woman prusini the two Israel ni o Jews Israel for krum fan hoben. Ye chirechirem 2026 na yaba no. Ya ka chirem say ye be guide aban we ye de no kre aban we eye mistake ye betia no aban we ye de ye be bona baso. So be an agent or the atro any jandam ebe da Ghana for egu aban we nimasia. We will be the firewall. We will stop it, and that is what we are doing. We will never underestimate the intelligence of Ghana for wow ushemi biano. There are millions of people on ushemi omunim nyansa cheme. It is just that omunya opportunity need to sit here like myself. I will never sit here and think what I will do here is to make sure the facts and a atro makano kreno. Abraham mentioned his skirt. No one who said the economy. You want painful baby me. I cannot underestimate their intelligence. You want crab baby me. Yes, smart. Mint me doing some hanty. So I will do my best to make sure say Nipana will tell me say ampa akwa we booming. That is what I do here, and that is what we will do here. Say near Bayana protect your bino. I protected John Mahama. I protected NDC abino. Omu mistake I chimo. And I want to serve this message. We are Ghana ni now we Ghana. Let me say this. If you're a Ghanaian, it does not matter baby awo. Say Obi Bekachiro say they work with Kevin Taylor, especially at any of the ports in Ghana. That person is a liar and a thief. You need to report them to the Ghana Police Service. If you are an importer, you are an exporter, you work at the ports in Ghana, any of the ports. I want to put this out there because mate se nkofo bi di me din ene nam Ghana ports no e di bon nkofo krono. If I want to investigate people, I know the people I will send out there to do my investigations for me. And if you work at Ghana port, say we are exporter, we are importer, we are custom official. If anybody tells you Kevin Taylor is my friend, I have Kevin Taylor's number. In fact, I've spoken to Kevin Taylor, and that because of Kevin Taylor, give me this. That person is a thief. I want to put this out there. There are people going around in Ghana, especially at our ports, telling people that I am their friend and that they are extorting money from people. I don't work with anybody at the port. Me ni obia ni Ghana port am ni adwuma. Me ekwamiti yi, me nto ade bia shipping by Ghana. Me nto bibia da shipping by Ghana. I have no business at the port. I don't work at the port. I don't have anybody work for me at the port. If you are an investor, if you are an exporter, if you are an importer, na se obi e catch say manisika way and that why a BB Kevin Taylor and Adamfu into that person is a criminal. So who means to reach me, and I'll put the person's face on my TV for you. I don't deal with anybody at Ghana port. I don't work at Ghana port. Mini Adamphobia, mini Juma. I don't work with anybody. Maybe Ghana and Mabeti one or two of these things. And I want to put it out there. Nobody should give anybody any money. Nobody. Men tamusika ma obi enka say oye Kevin Taylor downfall. Or so one Kevin Taylor na ejuma. Or so we wusa uye bibi. Say me pese me investigate obia. I have ways I investigate people. And you the people doing that, I am working on you. I'll come put your faces on my TV. Take Kevin Taylor's name out. I want this record to be set. And sana machaji. Take my name out of your chrono. My guys are on the ground. We will get all of you, your pictures, your faces. I'll place them on my TV for the world to know chrono amobon or port. I don't work with anybody at the port. I need to put this disclaimer out. Because me charge ya a bad time. We are juma port, we are importer, we are getting Obi Bekajo Sadam for Kevin Taylor. Obwa is a liar. That person is a liar. It does not matter how long the person has worked at the port. Maybe you know the person. Maybe that person has been working at the port for years. It does not make me a friend to the person. Mema kwasiampenyi biambe dada omeji usika. Me American ameti, me nye juma Ghana port. Me betina kroma me ntoka biamba Ghana. Me nye business bia port wo. Me nkancho bia so me investigation or port mame. The port, they have authorities there omuyo mojuma. So I want to put this out today. Yanko enim. All right. The next time I come and speak on this matter, I'll put faces because my team, they are working on it. And I want to put faces up. Send be Ghana for behu. Mo amote Ghana mo bo krono in the name say we don't do anything bad, but we for mo den kofo din na ebu nkofo port. Mema obi anko bo mi din wo baby I say madam for Kevin Taylor anti mamiska we hey. The next time I met sa asem no. Okay. Now Yanko enim. This is another story I want to kill. Where you one jandama, we need to finish that jandam quickly. And when they say NPP for no, they have nothing to hold on to. Right now, they are on the jandam spree. Omo pese omo forsia na omo de bibi esha Bawumia kong. Bawumia has nothing to his name. Let me state this. If Mahamadu Bawumia believes, say, Waye Juma, he should run on Nanado Dan Kweku Addo's record. John Dramani Mahama or the Atta Mills, any JJ Rollins record, and or the Juma. In fact, 90% of John Mahama, time and now the campaign or person be the president, no. Every time you because was say time and now on any boss ye Juma no. Time on your opportunity, no. In this about Bawumia per se. Ghana for Gini say or ye Juma and the Akufo Addo or near Akufo Addo ye Juma. he should not run away or shy away from Akufo Addo's record. So Bawumia ntuma for Akufo Addo anya ne campaign na Bawumia nim so ne Akufo Addo nyina omonya papa. So Mahamadu Bawumia cannot tell us today say where the yamfa associate no. Now where the mama yamfa associate no. Identity yamfa PDS eme Akufo Addo. Yamfa NAPO Emma Akufo Addo. Ada na yamfa scandals ne krono no eme Akufo Addo. Na ebe ebidia yamfa ma Bawumia adentra. Mahamadu Bawumia should run on the Akufo Addo's record. En kwasiade Akufo Addo ye nyina no Bawumia ka ho cabinet no ye. Now, the fake news, joy news, they are trying something. NPP for himself Bawumia only credibility biya, only record papa biya. So they are forcing something for Ghanaians to believe. We are here to kill that jandam. Now, that's sorry, joy news for say. My fact check be. Na claim say Mahamadu Bawumia and the brain behind Bank of Ghana's domestic gold purchase program no cre. It is a lie. It is false. It is fake news. It's a lie. Joy News, they have taken money. They want to try and project Bawumia. They know Bawumia does not deserve any projection. I would say this on authority. The issue are Joy News person almost peddle the falsehood they want to peddle. The lies they want to put in the system that Bawumia is the brain behind Bank of Ghana's domestic gold purchase program. No, it is false. It is not true. And let me tell you this. Your reason to just say Bawumia can never claim any credit for a domestic gold purchase program now. Ghana no. You know the reason? Because the domestic gold purchase program no enya Mahamadu Bawumia ene de baye. Gold ya toton wo Ghana edema Ghana ye di sie ema Ghana no ye ka se domestic gold purchase program na gold na ye toto edema eye Ghana ye di kogu Bank of Ghana no enya Mahamadu Bawumia ne start ye. Enti se omo pese omo de credit bi ma Bawumia omo fa 11 koma Bawumia. Omo fa PDS enkoma Bawumia. Omo fa dollar from 3.7 to 17 enfama Bawumia. Omo fa inflation that got all the way to 57% in Emma Bawumia. Omo fa all the atrocities, the killing of people during elections no omo fa ma Bawumia. Omo fa ye did ye kana a so almost $1 trillion. Omo fa enswa Bawumia. Omo fa the DDEP omo fa ma Bawumia. They cannot ignore all these things and come and tell us to say domestic gold purchase program no Bawumia na de buy inti enya de yentuma Bawumia mabodam. You people are insane at multimedia. And if you think you can keep doing those jandam things, we are not going to allow anybody to lie to Ghanaians again. In fact, let's go into the wagon. Yanko wagon, team, stay with me. Now, when you look at this document, 2021, where ye Ernest Addison, 2021, the time ana omo lanche, what we call the domestic gold purchase program. Remarks by Dr. Ernest Addison, Governor, Bank of Ghana, 2021. And Bank of Ghana, Ankasa Ekasa, the Governor, Addison, na one Bawumia ne Akufo Addo eye dwuma. They were launching this program, domestic gold purchase program. Now, we say Ghana, you see, so as a nation, you will go there, it's a big question, and it's a question that we need to answer. Now, so one gets go back into the records, sir. Time a Bank of Ghana in 2021, almost launch a domestic gold purchase program. No, the governor of the Bank of Ghana said something. Now, Mumeyankoshe Adia Okaye. Now, when you read the document, on one speech, we are going to take our time and do this. Senebeya, Kwasiebi Enkase, Mahamadu Bawumia and the domestic gold purchase program. What Joy News put out there is false. Never, or ever believe Saa asem joy news akano. Now, the CEO of the Minerals Commission was there, the CEO Ghana Chamber of Mines, the CEO Precious Minerals Marketing Company PMMC was there, CEO of mining companies were there, director and staff of Bank of Ghana. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the speech of Addison. Now, mommy and the speech of Addison. Now, you say, domestic gold purchase program, no, Bawumia de buy, and I said it was something that existed already before Mahamadu Bawumia came into office. It says this, the introduction. It says, good afternoon to all, and let me welcome you all to this special event. This is Addison speaking. This is his introduction. It is a great pleasure to be part of this momentous occasion of launching Bank of Ghana's domestic gold purchasing program. You will recall that during the February 2021 MPC press conference, I had projected that we will be ready to commence this program by the middle of the year. 2. This event is indeed historic, as it marks the first time the Bank of Ghana is embarking on a domestic gold purchasing to augment our foreign reserves with a view of doubling gold holdings in our foreign exchange reserves portfolio. Or say, historic because this is the first time Ghana, to gold, Ako gold ya wo hodada ho. You can say augment. That means uwo gold wo hodada. Na sebio na enseni inti o launch program wo ya gold na ye ba benya nsisi ano ye de ba be kan de wo ho. You can say augmenta. Ebi wo ho na ye de soso ana ye hyemu kena. Inti omo be ye launch we na gold wo ho na enye dodoɔ no. Ye program we na de be kan dodoɔ no ho. Meaning the statement was telling you say we already had gold reserve. Now were gold were hodada. Whether it was bought from outside or from Ghana, Ghana already had reserves. Now were gold is siho. Now, so or say this event is indeed historic as it marks the first time Bank of Ghana is embarking on domestic gold purchasing to augment our foreign reserves with a view to doubling gold holdings in our foreign exchange reserves portfolio. Now, it therefore marks a significant change in the modus operandi of Bank of Ghana's foreign exchange reserve management operation. Enti, no, now person say, yesika $1 dollar any gold no. Sa domestic gold program we are omo air launch no. Eno na edi gold ni bi eba beka ye dollars wo edi sebio ye den ye gold na ebi wo no. Now, ladies and gentlemen, let me share a little bit of history on the importance of gold as a monetary asset. During the era of the gold standard, currency issued by central bank has to be fully backed by I want you to get all the facts. Team, stay with me. I say, gold measured in troy ounces at that time. The gold standard measure of assessing the strength of currencies was later abandoned at the turn of the 20th century when economies began printing currencies without the backing of gold. Since this transition, currencies have been backed by a variety of instruments, including gold, government bills and stocks, and first-class bills of exchange. In fact, when Ghana issued its jurisdictional currency in 1958, the original currency cover assets for the currency issued included gold, sterling, and core money in the United States, in the United Kingdom, and British Treasury bills with maturities not exceeding 3 months, among others. Now, when you go to the part that is marked red, say na Addison Kaye, or say the history of monetary management has revealed that while gold in the reserve cover mix was not given much weight, the history of monetary management has revealed that while gold in the reserve cover mix was not given much weight, the managers of the economy during the 1960-61 financial year took a bold decision to increase the amount of gold to be held in the cover asset mix for the cedi. As a result of this decision, a small amount of refined gold, valued at around $3.7 million, at that time was bought overseas and transported to the bank's vaults. The fall in the value of gold in the 1960s saw a shift in policy away from gold as a cover asset to foreign currency and securities. Now, what Addison was trying to say, when it comes to gold reserves, you will be. But the difference between the Bawumia buyer and the order that say in 1961, no, the Ghana sika eto gold. Remember that time, no, we could not refine gold as Ghanaians. We did not have refineries whereby we can walk in and take the raw gold and do what? And go refine. Remember, we didn't have the technology to refine gold. So what we did was that even though we had gold, we had to go buy refined gold and then do what? Keep in our reserve. So technically, even though those gold, na enya Ghana and the refining keep in our reserve, we still had to go out and go get gold to keep in our reserve. So at that point, they had to go buy gold with gold to come and keep in our reserve. Until gold reserve was there. Now the difference with what Bawumia Dems came to do was that they saw an advantage. Say now they can do more galamsey and get more gold. So they created what we call the domestic gold purchase program. Now they knew, say there was gold at that time. Technology had advanced to this point. 2021, we could do what? Refine our own gold and keep in the Bank of Ghana. That is why in 2021 we were able to say yenya per se ye 2 year gold near refining near keeping of Ghana. In 1960, we did not have any refinery in Ghana. You bet my refining raw gold, the rock, the ore, and then save at the Bank of Ghana. Yen to mean tubo bano. Bank of Ghana said, this is gold. We were supposed to work on the gold. We were supposed to work on the stones, the rocks, to turn into refined gold. Near any technology into what we had to do was to bring the gold and keep in the reserve. Now, in 2021, Ghana moved to the point whereby we can refine gold in Ghana. So a government comes and says, see, to me refine the gold or Ghana there. Why don't we buy the gold in Ghana and keep in our reserve? Into gold reserve, it is not new. The difference is that in 2021, Ghana has come to that point whereby technology may refine gold or Ghana into Bank of Ghana through a PMMC can buy gold and reserve it. So that is all. It is so because they say Mahamadu Bawumia and because of the domestic gold purchase program, the first time I hear purchase gold or Ghana, they are lying. It was because in the 60s we could not refine the gold in Ghana. And if we could not refine the gold in Ghana, did not mean that we did not have gold reserve. The gold that we went out there to get, it was gold that we had to sell gold to go buy and to come keep the reserve. And there's nothing new here. Bawumia for any extraordinary idea for Frebian. Now let's say, let us give it to Bawumia. Say, Mahamadu Bawumia. Thank you, team. Gyamfi say Bawumia and a domestic gold purchase program to buy. Let's give it to Bawumia, right? Me team say a short break. They want to do something on the TV. TV is breaking. So many people are saying TV is having some scratches in TV. We are going to make a quick turn for TV to get back, and then we can continue. 1 second, team.
The NPP cannot be underestimated. You know it, I know it. They've been in existence for a long time and have been changing their names up till this day. The nature of who they are. Listen. Munjie. The nature of who they are, what they are, where they've come from, is something they are happy with, and they will be there for a long time. Let's not mimic their behavior. Let us reach into the principles and the values that emerged out of the circumstances that gave birth to us. And if we can hold onto those principles and those values, we will move way into the future and no one can ever defeat us.
So that's JJ Rawlings. Inti asona kano Gyamfi say, let's take it as Gyamfi say, Mahamadu Bawumia and a day a year what we call the domestic gold purchase program by Gyamfi say. Now, domestic gold purchase program no. Now the reason now omde buy na dia enti no omde sa reason the buy because joy for any NPP for say by force Gyamfi sa den ade no Emma Bawumia. That's fine. Now Mahamadu Bawumia himself, when they were launching the gold domestic gold purchase program, no, he made a statement. In fact, say we check NPP for Omukachere say gold for oil, no. The gold for oil was the domestic gold purchase program, no. It was basically about gold for oil. Now, yes, sir. All because they needed a lot of gold to go and buy the oil, to go and exchange for oil. And I say petrol, diesel, and I say whatever you call the petroleum products. Now, the question here is, so Mahamadu Bawumia na de domestic gold purchase program the buyer na. What did we get from that program? Now, let's go listen to Mahamadu Bawumia himself. After that, make us Bediatuo.
Vice President Dr. Mahamadu Bawumia has defended Ghana's new controversial policy of buying oil with gold instead of with US dollars. Dr. Bawumia said the current economic challenges facing the country called for an initiative like that, which according to him will ease the pressure on the economy and save the country billions of cedis.
Take the case of gold. In Ghana, we've mined gold for over 200 years. When I looked at the data, realized that our total reserves of gold in Ghana was just 8.7 tons at the end of 2021. The largest gold mining, one of the largest, we are in the top 10 in the world. But we had not accumulated enough gold to build our reserves. We looked at the other side of the balance sheet. We export gold, we import oil. The cost of oil imports is about $3 billion a year. So we asked this simple question. Why don't we, since we have always got pressure on finding US dollars to buy oil, why don't we rather reach an agreement to exchange our gold for oil and then sell the oil in cedis, then use the cedis to buy more gold, use that gold to pay for oil, sell the oil in cedis, and then you don't need to look for scarce foreign exchange to buy oil, which always leads to a depreciation in the currency. So with this idea, we said, let's do something that the textbooks don't teach. Let's do something that is out of the box. And this is why we said gold for oil. And we quickly looked at this and we negotiated with the suppliers of oil who were very, very excited and happy to receive gold in payment. Thankfully, yesterday, I think yesterday was Monday, right? Yes, yesterday was Monday. Yesterday, Ghana took its first delivery of oil under the gold.
So it's here Bawumia. Onwankasa can say the gold for oil program no they buy, it was basically to buy oil. It wasn't about keeping gold at the Bank of Ghana in our reserves. Utie Nikasa now say they looked at our reserves and we had low gold. That means we didn't have gold. So they devised a plan, and that plan was that the idea of gold for oil, beba. It's gold for oil, no. The main aim for gold for oil was for them to take our gold and go exchange it for oil, not to take our gold and keep them in the vault or keep them in the Bank of Ghana. the main reason for gold for oil was to take the gold and go exchange for oil and then come and sell the oil in cities. It is so because you say the domestic gold purchase program no Bawumia the buyer and anything Abuja says about Bawumia the buyer. What was the main reason for that gold purchase program? No, they were purchasing the gold not to keep the gold. They were purchasing the gold to go and exchange for oil. Now the question here is, gold for oil, no, as we speak today, ewa hefa. A DNA free gold for oil. Today, as we speak, say I can say gold for oil now. Does it exist? Gold for oil has been cancelled because Nippon Okofa gold for oil buy, no. At the end of the day, no, he ended up making so much losses to the point whereby in just 2024, they made 2.14 billion Ghana cedis loss gold for oil. It is how to join now. Can say we should give the credit, the brain behind a domestic gold purchase program. Now, domestic gold purchase program, no, how did it benefit Ghanaians? Because at the end of the day, the gold for oil that you are touted to say Bawumia the buyer, no, we made a loss close to 2.2 billion just in 2024. So you ask yourself, say, how can you tell us to say this is something that we have to give credit and tell Ghana for say Bawumia because or the idea your friend domestic gold purchasing program by at the end of the day the gold that we purchased under Bawumia no sa gold the gold in the oil ye wie ne ye boka ye wie ne ye nyina ye twemu say amfa so ambre Ghana. So for somebody to sit at Joy News or multimedia and tell us to say Bawumia is the brain. You can be brain behind anything, but at the end of the day, how does it benefit the people? Obia nim nyansa nanso ka krebi na wa adwene a omutudi omadwene ebo nipa sebio ye nyina ye chechira asase we no na obi agya ne nan. But at a point some people sat down and said say ejanan ombetuma convert ejanan dia ye bibi into obia nim nyansa but badwen banko na etumi da Emma Sebio, Sa Nyansana, etumi dane ade ebetuma bo nipa. If you are the brain behind domestic gold purchase program, the question here is the brain behind it, how did it benefit the people? If you are the brain behind it and it does not benefit the people or it never benefited the people, then you basically did not think through anything. You cannot take credit for anything because adwene na odede ade no nyansana na emu eha entumi ansesa anything. Entumi ansesa bra. Entuma fa bibia ambeka Ghana yesika sam ehun. If you tell me say we should give Bawumia that credit, there should be a reason why we give somebody credit. Credit na yamfa for DN because any fool can think about we as a nation buying gold from Ghana. But at the end of the day, you to gold we are a DN infaso ni nya was gold in him. So this guy and what the Joy News guys are trying to push, a jandam, it is fake. Bawumia has never been the brain behind gold reserves. From 1960, the records are there. You can go back and check. From 1960, 1961, when you go into the archive, this is an IMF document. 1960, 1961, gold, now you talk gold, a reserve war Ghana. In 1960, we did not have refineries in Ghana. To go near toy and a reserve, we had to go get that gold. Right now in 2021, now refineries in Ghana. Until decided say, yeah, gold, you better na good Bank of Ghana. It is not different. There's nothing extraordinary about the domestic gold purchase program. There's nothing extraordinary about it. It's memo being Ghana. And can't Ghana for say Bawumia is the brain behind what? Ghana had gold in our reserves before Bawumia was born. It make nobody sit in Ghana and try to throw lies in the system and make it look like say Bawumia is some exceptional intelligent human being. He is not. We gave Bawumia the whole country to run. Nana Kweku Annan, he's daft. He cannot read. We gave Bawumia this country to run. Basic. He could not. Under Bawumia Akufo Addo, yet to oil chain, President Tibiawaba, these two idiots could not run this basic country. Nobody should sit in Accra and think say they can put things out there and make it look like say Bawumia nim nyansa Bawumia enim nyansa bia. Let me tell you this. Let me show you this. And Mr. Eric Opoku, the Agric Minister, and maybe both video we shade. The Agric Minister reacted to this domestic gold reserve issues here, Abbey. Domestic gold purchase program we. The Agric Minister went to Asempa and Makak Achre Ghana for say. In Konfona Moti radio Sunni TV so Ghana, Dodona Bodam. Dodona ya kromfo. You see, Obi Mune sa joy news for we know. Because Sammy Gyamfi I and Adwene say, because John Mahama I and Adwene say, because NDC are buying I and Adwene say, they are not going to feed them, they are not going to give them money, no. They have this idea, say, they want to create an impression to say, Abangwe is doing nothing, and that Bawumia is intelligent. Ghana for you name sebio, and if you for credit himself Bawumia nim nyansa. Bawumia nim nyansa de chire mine. Bawumia eye trofo. Now, Mr. Rikopoku was on a sempa, and Obi busa a question, and he asked Obi question me. It was so interesting. Say, Obusa a question about 3 times. Obi refused to answer him. You know why? Because the moment Obi answers the moment he answers that question, it makes Ghana for you now who say Mahamadu Bawumia, he is not the brain behind the gold reserves we have today in Ghana. But you see, some got na radio so because they think say they try to find ways to make listeners think say Bawumia de onimnyansa mama Bawumia mama yan kanasem. Erikopoku ya bi. In his deliberation, he was asking Obi a simple question. But unim the reason. Unim the Obi Obi refused to answer that question. Because the moment he answers the question, and the funny thing is, it is not like Obi nim answer no. Even the ordinary Ghanaian now, sebio so unko school dano. When you ask that person that question, Obama will answer. But for some reason, Obi decided not to give an answer. All because say Oma answer the paymaster Bawumia and NPP for no. They will say, why have you thrown Bawumia under the bus? They know say what they are doing at Asempa Multimedia, Joy News, no, it is jandam, it is fake news. They keep on doing it because they don't respect the intelligence of Ghanaians. Momi Ankoko tie Mr. Rikopoku any Obi. Obebusa Obi questioned me about 3 times. Obi will never answer him. Now, Momi Ankoko tie no.
Would you also be fair and acknowledge Dr. Bawumia and his role in getting this program through and the economy in your benefit?
You're the kind of, so would you also be fair?
Yes.
In the first, we admit to say, my affair. No,
yes.
What me said, you makan hanging
yes.
my affair.
Yes.
And was a messiah affair, I recognize, say, Dr. Bawumia, the buy,
yes.
says,
yes.
Dr. Bawumia, or they go for reserve no buy and go for oil. 2 projects.
Yes.
At the end of the year, no, 2 years, a time I implemented under the watch in 2022, 2023, 2024. I will know as head of the economic management team. So go to in our boka.
Yeah, a cabai.
Sure. Good. Oboka in Chino. The ultimator near person destabilize prices, no. Yenya. The ultimator near person destabilize prices, no. Yenya. As head of the economic management team, so go to in our boka.
Yeah, a cabai.
Sure. Good. Oboka in Chino. As head of the economic management team, so go to in our boka.
Yeah, a cabai.
Sure. Good. Oboka in Chino. The ultimator near person destabilize prices, no. Yenya.
Mamencha on Erikopoku Busana say Samokas Bawumia and they go for oil buyer or they go for reserve buyer. The ultimate was to stabilize the city. The ultimate was to stabilize the economy. And now Opoku Busana say Samose Bawumia and they go for oil buyer or they go for reserve buyer. The reason here the buyer no did he accomplish the reason? Obusa Obi say yenya sanfa so no wama answer. O si yenya ye. Una ye chocho ni a ultimate nim. Samusi emfa credit ma Bawumia. On the good for oil buy, on the good for reserve buy, on the brain behind it. The main reason was that otchere say that good for oil policy and good for reserve policy was to stabilize the city, was to stabilize the economy. Eriko Poko Busana say, "Who obi some training?" Bawumia na okasa no yenya, were we able to accomplish that? Osi yenya ye, onse not wo. Osi on my answer. Osa busani biem yenya ye. Because so the policy bar at the end of the day there was a reason for the policy, and the policy was to stabilize the economy, was to stabilize the city. Now the question here is, so the policy aba na to me and solve that problem, then that policy you brought is a waste of everybody's time. You are even supposed to be jailed. Inti obusa wo some training now, okay, kan cha me call. Mo amusima call law school now, munim nyansa cha Ghana for no. Eriko